What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go over Cardano ADA. Currently, we're sitting at $2.11. We're down about 1.26% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of $66.95 billion, 24-hour volume, 2.85 billion. All right, guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto, my favorite app for investing. So we've come back down to 205, as we talked about yesterday, creating that double bottom, just as we went over in yesterday's video. However, as you can see here, we're yet to break that neckline. So if we fail to break the neckline here, I'll still give you your breakout target if we do come up and break the neckline. Would bring ADA back up here. Pretty close to this level of resistance at 225. You can see here we got rejected by the 20 EMA. So if we do see some consolidation in this area, I'm just going to quickly take this out here. What we may see here for ADA is a little bit of ascending triangle. If you see us start to consolidate and trade within this triangle here, it is a bullish pattern, guys, but of course it can also break down. So if we see some consolidation here, as Bitcoin is currently inching towards its apex as well, we could see the same thing for ADA here. And then if we were to break to the upside, I'll give you both scenarios here. Measure the body. If we broke to the upside, also brings you pretty close to that 225 level of resistance. But if we do break down, guys, say we break down right around here, we'll bring ADA down to about $1.95, and we do have that technical target at $1.89, which we came very close to wicking down to from our head and shoulders pattern for ADA. So we're going to pop over into the daily time frame. So we're still in our falling wedge or descending channel, depending on how you're looking at it. And currently we're still underneath the EMAs. So I would target right around that 173 that I talked about in yesterday's video, which is a previous swing low here. As you can see on the 4-hour chart, 173, just gonna scroll down here, lines up pretty close with this previous swing low. If we fail to break out of our double bottom, do target $1.73. But if we do create a strong level of support here, right around $2, we create that ascending triangle and we break out, would get us back above the EMAs. We'd break out of our falling wedge. And then, of course, your target for ADA is up here at about $3.04. You have the 1.272 extension, some future price targets at 319, the 1.618 at 445. So this is a little pattern that may form here if we fail to break out of this double bottom, is we consolidate within this ascending triangle. And if we break out to the upside, will bring us close to that level of resistance up at about 225 here. Also lines up with the resistance of our descending channel here. And then if we do break down, the target is about 195. But if we were to break down, I would target 189, the technical target from our head and shoulders. That's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, posting trade ideas, even posting profits. It's a great community. You can sign up to the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee. Make sure to smash that like button if you got some value. Sign up to Bybit. That's where I trade, my favorite platform, up to $600 in bonuses. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.